At Communities and Schools of San Antonio, we help students stay in school and achieve in life. Become a part of our students' community of support by applying to be an AmeriCorps member.
I chose to be an AmeriCorps member with Communities and Schools of San Antonio because I wanted to improve the well-being of children.
As an AmeriCorps member, you'll build relationships, lead small groups, and provide supportive guidance services to underserved students in public schools with the support of a qualified supervisor. Our hands-on internship program is designed for university students pursuing degrees in social work, counseling, and related fields. You'll gain experience in the field, participate in professional development opportunities, earn college course credits, and receive a living stipend.
This has been an invaluable experience for me because I get to individualize the support I provide students. It is important to take what you learn from school and apply it in real life, and it does change it. The students see it and I see it.
Join Communities and Schools of San Antonio as an AmeriCorps member, where we prepare the next generation of social services professionals for success through the power of relationships. Learn more by visiting our website at CISSA.org and click Get Involved.